My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so y'all know the drill, man. First review of the new month. This is not an April Fool's Day. I say that April Fool's Day joke, excuse me. I say that because it's April the 1st. So yeah, this is not a joke. This is an actual legit review. First review of the new month. Happy April to everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful, wonderful March. We on to a new month, new beginnings, and all that good stuff like that. So on my way to the spot right now, I'm going to give you all this early review on one of 3 anticipated shoes that's dropping on the same day. Yes, Nike be killing us, man. They be killing us. So I'll give y'all more information about what I mean by that when I get back to the spot, whatever like that. So yeah, early review coming up. Y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Okay. As you can see, we got the cold box. Still nothing special. I wish they kind of mixed it up, add something different to it, but it is what it is. Kobe logo right there. Description reads Kobe Protro, size 9. This is a personal pair because I will be getting this. I think suggested retail price is like $190, I think. See the scales all going on it. Let's get straight to it. White paper. Woo! Yes, sir. These are fire. Look at that. Alright, so without further ado, I think these called the Venice Beach, but we got the Kobe 8 Protro. Venice Beach. Boom. Like I said, we got the Kobe 8 Protro Venice Beach. I think that's what they call it. When I get home, I'll give you some real information. I love this colorful take on this shoe. I missed out the first time these were released. These are re-released. Got the Kobe logo right there in the yellow and black. I love these laces, like a cheetah print, kind of. Got that Venice Beach vibes to it, that California Venice Beach vibes to it. Nike check right there. This is just a dope, clean shoe. Carbon fiber right there. Kobe logo right there. This is just a dope shoe. These drop in 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken, so this is an early review. Gotta give you all these early reviews. What y'all think about this? This is a cop, is a drop. I'm gonna give y'all some more information. I'm gonna hit on home, give y'all some more information. Sorry for the noise in the background. And sorry, this here is a quick review, but like I said, I just wanna give y'all a quick little look at these first hand, in hand. Oh my God, these are so fire, bro. Definitely gotta get these. These are releasing on Kobe Day. These and 2 other pairs too, so. Camo pair and another pair. I'll post a picture while I'm talking about this next of the 3 pairs that supposed to be releasing, but these are copper drop. What y'all think? But yeah, definitely a cop for me, but yeah, let's go back to the spot so I can give y'all some real information about this shoe. Okay, we back at the spot. As you can see, let me see if I can set this up somewhere so I can give y'all this information. There we go. All right, cool. Yeah, this will work. You don't really need to see me too much. Anyway, got some information like I always give y'all. This information off of complex.com. I never really go on complex.com. 2, 1. It should be up right now, right on next to me, or one of them sides. Don't worry about the noise. That's Chewy playing with his toy. Anyway, all right. So it reads news of next month's anticipated relaunch. Of course, this came out in March because it says next month. News of next month's anticipated relaunch of the Nike Kobe line left sneaker enthusiasts with many questions. Most importantly, which of Kobe's shoes are coming back and in which colorways? Today, we learned that a beloved makeup from the 8th incarnation is on deck for next summer. Sneaker files report that the Venice Beach, they are called Venice Beach, Nike Kobe 8 is getting the Protro treatment. It already released in 2013. The colorway celebrates the Los Angeles-based beach and its ties to basketball culture. The arrangement of gray, orange, light blue, and yellow is intended to mimic the location's scenery. Kobe Bryant never wore this pair on the court, but he did famously lace up a pair to meet with soccer icon Ronaldo in Brazil around the time of the shoe's release. I didn't even know that. So Kobe never wore this shoe on the court, but he did wear it like off the court or whatever like that. So priced at $190. I think I said $192, so I was right about that too. The Venice Beach Nike Kobe 8 Protro will be released sometime during spring 2024. So now we know it is April 13th, which goes with the picture I posted with the other two shoes that's releasing too. Yeah, that's it. Oh, close that. Yeah, here goes some more. There goes another image. Some more images, just in case you want to see more. Boom. Just a dope shoe. Dope shoe. Yeah. I mean, I am a fan of it. I'm definitely, as you can show, I showed you my personal pair, size 9, because I definitely will be copping this. Do I want to double up on it? Nah, I don't really double up on Kobe's like that. Because I don't want to resell no Kobe or nothing like that. It's just a shoe that I want. I like the Kobe's, certain Kobe's. I like the Kobe 8 Protros are my favorite Kobe's. Shoe is just, what are you doing, man? Chill. He is going crazy down there. You can't really see him. Chewy, get up out. What you doing, bro? What you on? Ah, you pushed me all the way down. Look at that. Look at yourself on the camera. Look at yourself. Don't be shy. You're a little bit shy. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if it was a copper drop for y'all. If y'all think it is worth picking up. I definitely think everybody gonna try to go for this one. Out of the 3, tell me which one you are more anticipated. The one you're gonna try to grind the hardest to try to get. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Instagram, my sneaker Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Toon's Kicks, and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.